So let's talk about today's game, which is against Rajasthan versus Punjab. Two teams coming off a win. Pretty good form, I would say, both of them. Akshat, what are your views on Rajasthan?
Well, that was a great win to start the tournament with a win against CSK is just the ideal start. Talking about today's team, Josh Butler is an automatic walk-in, and in place of him, either Tom Curran or David Miller one of them has to sacrifice a spot. Um, I think I think Steve Smith will go with the idea of dropping David Miller so that he can keep the bowling intact. But I have a different opinion. Tom Curran went for 50 plus runs in the 4 overs that he bowled. So why not get an Indian bowler like Varun Aaron, who also might be expensive, in place of Tom Curran, and keep David Miller? Because if you see Rajasthan Royals batting lineup, even in the previous game, after 10 overs, they were 119 for 1 with Sanju Samson and Steve Smith there. But then they struggled towards the end. And had that Jofra Archer over not happened, they would have ended up at 190, which would have been a very disappointing score from the start given to them. So I feel the middle order, the finishing, it's just not there yet. And if I would be in the team management, I would want them to keep Miller, drop Uthappa. Uthappa, I think, is in the fag end of his career, and you can't expect him to finish. So drop Uthappa. Drop Tom Curran, get someone like Varun Aaron and Josh Butler into the team. That's what I think.
That seems like a better rounded squad. But I think the problem, I think Rajasthan do have a very good batting. Yashashri, he's still untested, but he seems to be promising. Josh Butler, obviously world class, and then Samson, Smith, obviously the best players. So I think their top four is pretty solid.
The top four is
David
solid. The problem starts from there. After that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So if their top four performs like last time, they did a pretty good job. But I think the main problem I would say for Rajasthan is the bowling. So if you see Jofra Archer, of course, the best bowler, but on that card, we've seen throughout the seasons that he's underperformed. I would say the same thing for Tom Curran also last match. If he is replaced by Varun Aaron, I don't think so. It's a like for like replacement. Like he still seems to be pretty expensive. Not so sure about the other. Like Gopal is a good bowler. He was a little expensive, and Tewatia bowled well. But I think the bowling's a little inexperienced at times, and that's the thing they need to work on. Especially in Sharjah, it's a short ground, so this might be a problem.
Well, if you check the first match, Rajasthan Royals spinners bowled really well as compared to CSK's, Jadeja and Piyush Chawla. They used a correct line and length. And on a pitch like Sharjah, where like the boundaries are like 60 meters, they were pretty economical. Having an economy of even 8-9 for a spinner, I think that's good enough. Plus, they got the wickets. Rahul Tewatia got like 3 wickets, including that of Shane Watson, Sam Curran, Ruturaj Gaikwad on the next ball. I feel they did a good job. Also, this is Rajasthan Royals' second straight game at Sharjah. I think they have an upper edge.
Over, they've played the pitch before. Yeah. Now, let me talk about Punjab. I think Punjab's a good squad. Main thing is, will you play Chris Gayle? Do you think they'll play Chris Gayle? I think they should.
Well, I think they should because this match is going to be played at Sharjah. Like, you have to play Sheldon Cottrell. You have to play Glenn Maxwell.
Nicholas Pooran. But I think they would drop Nicholas Pooran for Chris Gayle.
They are going to drop Nicholas Pooran. I think
exactly.
Nicholas Pooran.
Yeah.
Because
Pooran's he's got three chances to bat. Like if you count the super over also.
If you count the super over also.
Yeah. And he's not performed that well. And I think the main reason is not because of him underperforming. That does happen. You do need 2-3 matches to get in. But I think Chris Gayle is just better for the pitch. Like Chris Gayle clears the boundary anywhere, but especially in Sharjah, even his like worst missed times will go for a 6. He has so much power.
And
so I don't think so. I don't think so. They should leave out Chris Gayle for this match.
Having a player like Chris Gayle sitting, in the dugout,
11 crores
they can have an explosive opening pair of KL Rahul of Chris Gayle, where Chris Gayle can, be aggressive, and KL Rahul can play the anchoring kind of an innings. And after that, you're supported by Mayank Agarwal, who's been phenomenal in this season and has had a good domestic run also. I think Chris Gayle should...
He's tasted international success also.
Also, I think that Punjab's bowling is one of the best in this IPL because they've got Sheldon
100%.
Cottrell, they've got Mohammad Shami, they've got Ravi Bishnoi. I think those are really good options, and it's very
So
good they dropped Chris Jordan.
correct. So I think the main problem that Punjab will face is their middle order. So if you crack the top three, let's assume they're playing with the same squad as last time. Let's say Chris Gill's not there. You get Rahul, you get Mayank Agarwal, Nicholas Puran is seemed off, Glenn Maxwell. Of course, you can't rule out these players, but they've not been that impressive of late. Obviously, we hope that they perform, but I think the middle order after their top two is struggling a little, and I think that's the place where they need to focus on. Like KL Rahul's last match of 130, whatever he made,
132.
that's phenomenal. But he was dropped twice, and these innings don't come very often. So I would still say that they do need to work on their middle order. And their bowling is top notch. Shami, Kautil, they're in the form of their life. Bishnoi is like a very promising talent. And they do get a few overs here and there from Glenn Maxwell. So let's see what happens about that.
So if you had to choose one team who's going to win tonight, which team is that going to be?
I would say Rajasthan because they are coming. They've played this turf before. That's why.
I think Sanju Samson is a key player. Even Josh Butler, because Steve Smith is more of an anchoring kind of a player.
Correct.
But Sanju Samson, Josh Butler have to hit it out of the park tonight. I would want to see Josh Butler open with Yashasvi Jaiswal. I think that's going to happen. One down Sanju Samson, 2 down Steve Smith, and then after that is the surprise which lays ahead.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm proved wrong. Maybe they drop Miller, they keep Uthappa, but I just think that Uthappa shouldn't be finishing at this point. He's not that effective.
Uthappa's better off at the top.
At the top, there's no space, there's no place.
There's
better
exactly.
players. I think he should not be in the ideal squad.
I think if Jaiswal doesn't perform that well in the first 5-6 matches, then they might consider bringing Uthappa in. But
maybe
let's hope that it doesn't come to that.
Yeah, let's hope that Yashasvi Jaiswal does wonders not only for Rajasthan but even for India.
India, exactly.